Special Prosecutor Dan Webb has lost a bid to release his entire report in the Jussie Smollett case. A judge denied the motion just today. WGN's Julian Cruz is live on the Near West Side with details on the hearing. Julian?
Good afternoon, everybody. Dan Webb making the argument that releasing the full report, which includes evidence and grand jury testimony, is in the best interest of restoring public confidence in the criminal justice system. But the judge raising concerns about preserving the secrecy of grand jury proceedings, which of course is a core principle in our criminal justice system. You may remember 10 days ago that the Cook County State's Attorney, Kim Foxx, cleared of any criminal wrongdoing, Webb releasing a shortened report of his findings and conclusions. The report, ordered by Cook County Judge Michael Tuman, criticizing the state's attorney and her assistants for abusing their discretion with multiple misleading statements. Foxx and her office moving to drop charges against the actor Jussie Smollett, igniting a firestorm of controversy. Top Chicago police commanders very unhappy to see the charges dropped. Smollett was accused of filing false police reports, claiming that he'd been the victim of a racist and homophobic attack. Dan Webb reinstating the criminal charges against the actor. Both Webb and the lawyer representing Kim Foxx, Ruben Castillo, today turning down our request for an on-camera comment, but former appellate judge Sheila O'Brien weighing in on the debate.
I'm a big transparency person, that the public has the right to know everything that we do in government. However, we do have the secrecy of the grand jury, which is one of the bedrocks of our system. So it's a balancing act, and I respect Judge Tuman's decision. It does not mean, however, that Mr. Webb cannot release other information. It's just the grand jury proceedings that were in the report that it looks like Judge Tuman is talking about.
O'Brien was at today's hearing, which was held at the Cook County Juvenile Center due to COVID-19. And you may remember that back when the charges against Smollett were temporarily dropped and people were very upset about that. Jussie Smollett, however, the former Empire actor, is still looking at a trial, but due to the COVID-19, a trial date has not yet been set, and the actor, Jussie Smollett, facing 4 counts of filing false police reports with what prosecutors are alleging was a hoax. At the Cook County Juvenile Detention Center, Julian Cruz, WGN News.